Hello, this is Zach with Metaverse Make. Today we'll be showing you how to install the head strap. The best method is to install it from the front, then snap it in at the bottom, like this. Locate the top of the headset, and you'll notice there's a little light that blinks. Locate the head strap adapter, then you see this hinge here. You want it to slide it in from the top and where it kind of slots in the groove, and you want to line it up with a sensor light, which is almost directly in the middle. It's kind of hard to see in the video. You line it up perfectly. Then what I do is place the headset kind of somewhere flat and grab the top of the bottom of the adapter and you press it in until it snaps. It should make a nice satisfying click sound. And that should be all you have to do. You see how sturdy it is? It will not come loose, so don't worry about that. If you need to uninstall the head strap, it can be difficult. You can use like a screwdriver or something and put high pressure in here to pull it out, but you may damage your Quest or the adapter. What I found is best to grab the top and pull upwards and out, and it should snap out like that. If you have any questions, please message me. Thank you. Bye.